Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Happy Monday to you. Happy Labor Day. Hope everybody had a nice day and enjoyed this gorgeous weather. It is absolutely beautiful outside. I actually went to the gym this morning and I went for a 2-mile run walk. So it was nice to be outside. It actually felt like a summer day, but it was nice and it wasn't overly hot and humid, which was really nice. So today I am actually filming in front of a live audience. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. I'm glad to have my live audience here today. And I'm glad that everybody is watching me on Facebook. So hello, Ralph. Hello, Mike. Thanks to everybody for joining me. I appreciate it. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments, watching me on the replay, put hashtag replay. Thank you, Ralph. Happy New Year to all of those who are celebrating Rosh Hashanah this evening. It is the first night of Rosh Hashanah. Happy Labor Day to everybody. Thank you, everybody, for all of your hard work. And hello, Cheryl. I see a bunch of people joining, so thank you, everybody, for watching me. And let's see. So this is kind of the unofficial ending of the summer, right? Labor Day is kind of the unofficial ending of the summer. It was funny, I got an email this morning that says, you can still wear white even after Labor Day. So put on your white shoes and put on your white dress and still go out until it gets cold. Let's end that. I remember when I was little, it was always Labor Day comes, you stop wearing white. So I got an email for shoes and they said, still continue to wear your shoes even after Labor Day, your white shoes. So hello, Mom. Hello, Cheryl. Thanks, everybody, for watching me. I appreciate it. And let's see. So our $9.99 takeout special this week is 2 sliders, a meatloaf and blue cheese slider, and a barbecue chicken slider. Now, you might think that these sliders are small, but they are not. The meatloaf is actually a half a piece of meatloaf. I mean, it is a nice chunk of meatloaf on top of a slider with blue cheese and barbecue chicken, and then it comes with a side of coleslaw and potato salad for $9.99 to go. We also have our regular menu available as well, so you can order our $9.99 special. You can order from our regular menu. You can combine the two and take that home tonight and enjoy. So hello, Tammy. Hello in Florida. Hope all is well down there. And let's see what else. We are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We do not have any wine dinner tonight. We do have a wine dinner next Monday night. So if you have been watching me for a while, you know our wine dinners consist of 4 wines and a dish for $29. And that is next Monday. Then the following Monday, we're going to do, I think it's the 20th, we're going to do a beer dinner and then another wine dinner the following week. So every 2 weeks we do wine dinners. So hopefully you can join us next week for our wine dinner. We'd love to have you. Weather permitting, we will be outside in our garden. I actually think we have been able to have every one of them outside. There was one close call that we started inside and then moved everybody outside during a storm back at the beginning of the summer. But for the most part, we've gotten super lucky with our wine dinners. Remember, we are closed Tuesday and Wednesday. We have jazz Thursday night. Marcus and I are going to go up to the Finger Lakes this week and go do some networking. And we're actually going to stay at another person's Airbnb up there. They need, they just want our opinion and some help. So we're going to go stay up there and check that out, go to some wineries. And we're going to be using a car service up there on Thursday. We have some friends coming up and meeting us, so that'll be fun. Hello, Susan. Hello, Christopher. Thank you, everybody, for watching me. Anything else I'm missing, Marcus?
Hudson Valley Food and Wine Fest.
Oh, yeah. This weekend is the Hudson Valley Food and Wine Fest in Rhinebeck. So Marcus will be doing 2 demos, one on Saturday, one on Sunday. He'll be judging on Saturday morning. And what else about that? And we'll have a booth. So Courtney will be with us and we'll be talking, we'll be sharing information on our Your Car, Our Driver that we do down here in the Hudson Valley. And yeah, so that'll be a fun event. Get your tickets, check it out. It's awesome. There's great wineries. If you've not had New York State wines, this is a great place to go and taste these New York State wines. They are up and coming, and I gotta tell you, there's some awesome stuff out there right now in the Finger Lakes, in New York, in the Hudson Valley, in Long Island, and they're all gonna come together for this Food and Wine Fest this weekend in Rhinebeck. There's food there, there's wine there, And so that's exciting. So that's this weekend, and Marcus and I will both be there. So if you need a driver and you don't want to drive yourself, give us a call, and we'll get you a DD. They'll come to your house, they'll pick up your car, drive you to the Food and Wine Fest, and drive you home, you and your friends, so that you don't have to hop in the car. It's a lot cheaper than a DWI. So, all right, so today I'm going to be making a pineapple jalapeno smash. So I have all these fresh jalapenos here. I'm going to take a few of them. And I'm actually going to make 2 of these since I have a live audience today. I'm sure that, wow, look at that, live audience here, clapping and everything for me today. So I'm going to make 2 for us to share. And I'm going to start with a little bit of agave, in there. And the rum, I'm going to add 2 ounces of the rum 44 from Mad River in Vermont. All right. All right. And then I'm going to muddle. I should have done this before. I didn't realize, but I should have muddled the jalapenos just a little bit, just to release some of the juices and make it a little spicy. It's going to be nice and spicy. Pineapple and jalapenos. I'm really excited about this drink. So I have been waiting for jalapenos. And we finally got them in, and I cut them up. And so if you want this drink, maybe a strawberry jalapeno daiquiri would be really good too. A little bit of lime juice just to balance it out a little bit. And I'm going to top it off with some ice. Oh, I don't have any ice. Uh-oh, I need some ice. I forgot the ice. I'll be right back. Uh-oh, forgot ice, everybody. Hold on, I'm coming. Don't leave, I'm coming. I got some ice. Sometimes you just have to improvise, but I can't really improvise if I didn't have any ice. So, all right. I used to get really nervous about that, but not anymore. All right, so, and then I'm going to top it off with some pineapple juice. All right. Oh, perfect amount. Look at that. Look at that. And mix that on up. Boy, I hope this tastes good. Let's see how it tastes. Hello, Marvin, Rita. There's a couple of new people on, so thank you. Let's go ahead and taste away. That is good. I'm going to share one. Let my audience taste it while I am finishing up today. So thank you, everybody, for watching me. I appreciate it. And I'm going to enjoy my drink. I'm going to go sit outside in our garden area. I'm going to enjoy the drink. It's a beautiful day outside. Hopefully you're sitting outside enjoying. A happy new year to those who celebrate Rosh Hashanah. A happy Labor Day to everybody. And I appreciate everybody watching me. I appreciate everybody's support. Cheers. And we will catch you soon. Thanks to my live audience today. Thank you. I appreciate it. And I will catch everybody soon here at Aroma Time or on our Facebook Live. Catch us. Marcus and I will probably be on live in the next couple of days up in the Finger Lakes. So cheers.